Hello, this time we will be painting this island castle with lush greenery. So let's jump right into it to see how we can achieve this painting. To start off, I made a rough sketch of the castle and the greenery around. Once I was happy with the skeleton of the castle, I marked the windows and the ledges on the castle. And now comes my favorite part, that is to paint. For the base of the castle, I have used yellow ochre and burnt sienna. For the roof, I have used Payne's Grey. For the bushes, I have given a variegated wash of sap green and lemon yellow. Here, placing of the colors dark and light green and yellow is important to show the shadow and light effect. To show denser areas of the bush, I am using cobalt blue mixed with sap green. For the sky, I have used a variegated wash of cobalt blue. To show the water and reflection of the castle, I have used Payne's Grey and the same shades as used in the castle. To show the detailing on the castle, I am again using Payne's Grey. So once my first layer of variegated wash is dried up, I am giving more detailing on the bush with a dark green. To show the distant trees in the background, I am again using cobalt blue and sap green. And with that last detailing, the painting is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.